I'm not going to make a prediction about the death of the CPU, but I'm sure by the time they begin to roll out fault-tolerant quantum, there will be perfectly appropriate use cases that should run on CPUs, GPUs, and architectures like the LPU from Grok. And then there'll be use cases that belong on quantum, and we'll find that we'll be in this time period where it's an right, for these different use cases.
And I think that's a real I mean, just to double down that change for people working in the financial services world, as you say, for the last 25 years maybe, we've got used to this pretty homogeneous architecture. There's now a real strategic decision that people have to make as to how much do they want to take control again over the hardware that they rely on. Or, some people continue to just push that decision off to the hyperscaler that you work with and say, look, you can optimize this for me. Or should we do what, some of the best performing, say, high-frequency traders or market makers have done historically, which is try and take ownership of the hardware and the connection into their own hands and say, actually, we're going to make some strategic bets here, and we're going to have and take advantage of this greater diversity in the hardware, whether it's inference or training or it's quantum or classic. And I think the winners in the financial services industry over the next decade may be more determined by who gets that right than perhaps the software layer and the approach to ML.